Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Voice.ai real-time voice changer setup step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Voice.ai and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Voice.ai account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully. If you've forgotten your password, there is a Forgot Password link available. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Once your credentials are filled in, check the Remember Me box if you wish to stay logged in on that device. After confirming your information, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login request. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. Here, you can access various features of Voice.ai. To set up the real-time voice changer, look for the Settings or Configuration icon. Click on this icon to enter the voice changer settings. Now, familiarize yourself with the available voice options. Select a voice you wish to use during your sessions. Adjust the pitch and modulation settings as desired for a unique sound. Test the voice settings by speaking into your microphone. Make further adjustments if the output isn't to your liking. Once you're satisfied, save your settings. Your real-time voice changer is now successfully set up. You are ready to start using Voice.ai for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.